will briefly run you through our Spina Bifida Foundation and the activities we are doing so far. So as you know, Spina Bifida Foundation is life of people. Know more, you have our website, spinabifidafoundation.org. So these are a few of the webinars we have done in past couple of months. So this is a bird defect event we conducted at Nehru Center on 3rd of March, that is World Bird Defects Day. This is a wheelchair training session we have organized for individuals with spina bifida on World Spina Bifida Day 2019. This is outreach camp we organized at Jawar. This is the International Conference of 2018. All of you must be knowing about it. This is a swimming competition, Swim for a Cause. We have also launched a campaign, Go Folic, which is for awareness of intake of folic acid before pregnancy. This is a joint venture with pharmaceuticals. Another free counseling and checkup camp.
Sanchita, sorry to interrupt you. Your voice, I'm unable to hear your voice. Is that only for me or?
Is our brand ambassador.
Yeah.
Hello.
No, your voice cannot be heard, Sanchita. It had stopped.
Hello, is it audible? Hello.
Now
Now
better.
it is.
It's
Yeah,
better.
Yeah. So shall I repeat the last part or I'll continue?
You can repeat. You can repeat few slides. Last few slides.
Okay. Yeah, so as I was telling you, sorry for the interruption. I think it is because of the poor internet connection. So this is a CME for doctors we have organized jointly with Mayor Vita Biotech. This is on management and prevention of birth defects. Organized at Konkan region, Maharashtra, for prevention of birth defects. This is another CME of doctors sponsored by Mayor. This you all must be aware that Ms. Ravina Tandon is our brand ambassador and have been supporting our cause. These are few of the images of our dear, and I request you all to support us in our
Hello, we can't hear. We can't hear. Okay.
Maybe of the poor internet connection shares.
Yeah, but anyway, so we can, I think, how many participants are there now?
11 are there.
About 11. Sure. I think we can start. Sanchita, is she online?
No, she's not online. Maybe she's joining again.
But her introduction is over, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe we can, Divya, should we wait for 2-3 minutes more, or we can start?
We can start, sir. Anything is fine because we have very less participants.
Yeah, just now there are just about 11. Maybe some more will join soon.
Okay, meantime we'll get started, sir.
Yeah. Get started. Go slowly. You have enough time.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Arshia, please.
Yes, sir. So I'll introduce Divya and Stuti. So good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's webinar. Today we are presenting heart-to-heart talk between spina bifida individuals presented by Ms. Divya Krishnan and Ms. Stuti Vora. Just a little introduction about them before we get started. Ms. Divya Krishnan is a wheelchair user affected with spina bifida, which is we all know is a spinal bird defect. She is working as an IT specialist for Verizon India, a telecom-based MNC with overall 9+ experience in the IT industry, involving in inclusive activities like wheelchair modeling, wheelchair marathon, inclusive employability, etc. She also provides peer counseling for persons affected with spina bifida and spinal cord injury to lead a quality life irrespective of the complications of the injury. And Ms. Stuti Bora is a 16-year-old teenager with spina bifida who is also using the wheelchair. So I welcome you, Divya and Stuti. Over to you.
Thank you, Arshit.
Thank you.
Arshia, for the warm welcome for us. Thank you. Good morning, one and all. And I believe everyone is safe and doing well. We know this COVID situation is making us stumbling at that thing, but we are not, nothing is stopping us, right? Like this lockdown, everything is not new to us, and we are coming out of this from our life days. So let's get started with this heart-to-heart session. I'm happy to talk with Stuti Bora. I heard of Stuti from Santosh sir. She's a very studious girl, and happy to meet you, Stuti.
Thank you. Same to you.
And Stuti, I happen to see your pictures. Could you share your pictures? That slide. Yeah.
Sure.
Yes. Is this you, Shruti?
Yeah, it's me. It's my
Okay.
childhood pic.
Wow. See the smile. Your smile is showing the confidence that you are ready to conquer the entire world. I cannot restrict myself to ask this question. So, do you have any such early childhood memories about your mischievous activities? Because by seeing your pic, right, you had done so much things. Did you happen to hear from your parents about such precious and cherishable memories? Do you have any such? Please
Yeah,
share with us.
Yeah, sure. Firstly, I would like to tell you that I am not that mischievous. And secondly, I have a very nice memory which I really till now. And that is my grandparents, my grandmother and my grandfather used to come to pick me every day from to the school. So it was such a amazing memory for me.
Wow, that's great, Shruti. And you never missed bedtime stories and all, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are so lucky to have such. Because I was born very late. I don't have my grandparents. I missed all such funs with them. You are lucky to have such things.
Yeah.
And could you share about your family members and how supportive they are with you?
Okay.
Could you share such information? Yeah. And this picture is all about your family members, right? And it is full of your extended family of your relatives, cousins, if I am not wrong. Is that?
Yeah. This is a picture of an airport. Actually, my brother was going to USA, America, for his studies. So for his last bye bye, we the family members went to just to the airport.
That's
And
great.
and they are very supportive. Each and every member of this family is very much supportive.
So how many of your family? Like you have any siblings, or you are the only person in your family?
No, I have the one who are sitting down are my cousins only. So in total we are 8 cousins.
Great. And could you tell about your school experiences? How you managed with your schooling days? Because we do have accessibility issues and all, right? So tell about your school days, your school name, and how supportive they are. Such experience we would like to hear from you.
Yeah, sure. Actually, my school name is Amala Kamitchan Pimchi Vividya Lakshya Vidyalaya, and it's in Vadala. And the teachers, the school management, the principals are very much supportive. And just for me, and one of the spinal bifida individual is there in our school. So just for we both, they made a lift and a ramp so that we children can just study in the school and pass with good grades. So I was very much lucky to have a great school with great teachers, principals, and school management. And talking about my friends, they were very much helpful in every stages of my life. And I would like to tell that whenever actually I had a maid in a school, and that maid, if she was absent, like if she didn't came in the school, my friends used to help me to sit on the wheelchair from the bench, and they were very much supportive.
Wow, that's great, Shruti. Like you have a very supportive school, and you had a very great friends to assist with you in all terms, right?
Yes,
That's great. And you told about another girl also with you, right?
yes, yes,
Yeah, and this definitely gives your management to recruit or admit more students like us, like you,
yeah,
right? So that
yes, yes.
nothing is stopping us from achieving anything which comes our way.
Yes, 100%, 100%.
Yeah, yeah, great. That's great. And could you share about any of your school days experience with your teachers? You told your teachers are so supportive.
Yes.
Any special memories with them?
Okay. I would like to share one, and that is, if of course sometimes it happens so that the maid is not coming, she is sick, and at that time friends also sometimes they are absent. So the teachers are also very much helpful. They also give me wheelchair to sit on it. Sometimes they only pick me up and get me on the wheelchair. So it's like they are like just like a mother for me.
Wow, wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
So happy to hear from you, Shruti. Like you had a very great school experiences.
Yeah, thank
And
you.
yeah, and do you have other than academics? Did you, as part of your academics, did you attend any external events? I think you
Uh,
have attended, right? The picture shows
yes,
that. Yeah.
yeah.
Could you brief about that?
Okay, sure. This is a science project. I'd participated in this from my school only. And for the district level, firstly, I went to Vikroli. And after getting selected from the district level, I went to state level in Jalgaon. And that was a very much remembering memories for me.
Wow, nice. What is the project is all about? Could you brief on
Okay.
that? Yeah.
Okay, so this project is mainly about the vegetable peelings, like uh, how to reuse the peelings of the vegetables.
Okay, it's like waste management related project.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Because mostly we throw the peelings. So instead of throwing all those peelings, we can use them in the plants. So
That's
it's for waste management thing.
wow, that's great. And that is the re-engineering, reusable thing, right? That,
Yes,
that
yes,
concept. Yeah, yeah.
definitely.
That is much needed these days, you know. And
Yeah,
all, yeah. And you have received something from the management or something? This picture shows
yeah.
that. Could you brief on
Yeah,
that?
in Vikroli we went for the district level, and for that we went on to state level. So for reaching till state level, we got a certificate and a trophy from that Vikroli only.
Okay, okay. And what was your moment at that time when you received that thing?
I was so much excited and full of surprise. Like, yes, really, I achieved something.
Wow, good, good, good. Good,
Yeah.
good memories for you, right? All these are.
Yes, yes.
That's nice. And could you And you told you have many friends, and you had great time with them, I guess.
Yeah.
What is this picture is all about?
Okay. There was a subject called as guide in our school, and in guide we had a competition for dance competition. So basically, we went over there. There was one school in Dadar, and we went over there, and we had to dance on a particular song. So we did that.
Oh, wow. So the dancer is within you, wheelchair dancer, right?
Yeah.
That's nice to see. And this costume suits you. You look so good, Shruti, in this.
Thank you.
I hope everyone agree with that. And could you brief on what is your hobbies and what is your extra activities other than academics? We know that you are excel.
Okay.
And apart from that, you have any extra curriculars or hobbies, extra time?
Okay. I like to sing.
Wow, then we have to hear a song from you.
Thank you.
Everyone agree with me?
Yes, yes,
Yes, yes, we
absolutely.
need, yes, we need a song from you, Shruti.
Stuti, can you put on your video?
Okay, sure. Okay. Shall I start? तू आता है सीने में जब जब
Tuti, be little louder.
ओके ओके
Yeah.
तू आता है सीने में जब जब सांसें भरती हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरती हूँ हवा के जैसे चलता है तू मैं रेत जैसे उड़ती हूँ कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ थैंक यू
Wow,
Wow, that was so nice.
such a mesmerizing voice, you know. And I don't know Hindi, but I could relate the soul behind your song. The music has no language, right? I could
yeah
sense that. And Stuti, you have achieved so many things, irrespective of the challenges of being a spina bifida individual. How did you overcome those things? What are the challenges you faced, and how you overcome those?
see it's a life and of course challenges are going to come in our life so I'd faced those challenges and I will face the challenges also so it's like if more challenges come I'll face that
So you are a warrior. You are ready to
yeah
fight whatever
yes
comes your way.
yes
That's
100%.
nice. Yeah, that's a great attitude. You know, that is what is much needed.
Yeah.
Yes. And Shruti, when did you know about your this spina bifida things and all? How did your parents tell about your operations and how did you come to know that and your experience during that time?
Okay. It was my parents only who told me about all these birth defects, and they did not personally tell me that you have these problems. Actually, the relatives used to ask that this girl is like this. What is the problem with her? And so this happened. So my parents used to tell them that this is the birth defect, and the spinal cord is not in the proper form. It's broken from somewhere. So then I used to ask my parents that what is this all about? Can you just tell me in brief? So they just told me.
Okay. And after hearing, what was your feeling after that?
Yeah,
You are
it
ready
was
to
like
face that, right?
yeah, I was 100% ready to face that because if God has given me this, it's okay. And see, I need to face it anyhow. So why not be happy and face it?
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I like that, Shruti, because I do have a feel like whatever the problem, whatever the situation which comes to our way, God has given only knowing that we have that potential to come over it. That is
Yeah,
why we are. I strongly believe in that. I'm happy
yes,
to see that you are also having the same belief system. Yeah. Next thing, what would I like to ask you is, I know you are done with your 10th class. Now you're in leave period, right? So what are you
yes.
doing? Like, are you involving in any other activities, or how you're managing your time?
Okay, it's lockdown, and of course the family is with is in the house also. So we are doing a new business right now, like in the house itself. We are buying food items from it directly comes from Kutch, and we are selling those. And I'm helping my family members in that business.
Wow. There is an entrepreneur in you. So you have multiple faces, Shruti. And
Thank you.
we need to have a parcel for Chennai. Sir, what
Oh,
about you, sir? You're also asking. And I think you have to give all our participants, Shruti,
sorry.
you have to send us a sample for all our participants of this webinar.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. And next thing is, what is your future plans, Shruti? Because you have crossed your first milestone of
Yeah.
clearing completing your board. And next, what is your next plan, and what do you want to become?
Okay. I wish to become a psychiatrist.
Oh, why so? Any reason
Um,
behind that?
yeah. Because I love to read people's mind. Like if anyone is angry or they are happy or they are sad, I can come to know very easily that this person is angry or sad at that time moment. So I just come to know.
Okay, and that is much needed, And these days
Yeah.
we are hearing stress, depressions, such
Depression,
things.
stress.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I'm confident that you could treat them with your. You don't need to give any thing, like just your smile will heal everything for the persons who comes your way. That is so
Yeah.
nice of you, Shruti. And
Thank you.
yeah, and Shruti, uh, as a spinal bifida person, we have to face this incontinence issues and all, right? How
Yes.
do you manage that? Because you are going to school, and how you manage that things, catheterization things. Did you face any issues over there? Like, because when you are going to schools, that periods, I mean, you cannot take frequent breaks and all. How did you
Yeah.
manage those days? Because that will be helping all other kids in the webinars.
Yeah.
Share your
Uh,
experience.
okay. I use catheterization, and in school we had 2 hours break. So during that 2 hours, after completing 2 hours, I used to go in the washroom using my wheelchair, and there was one a plain area in which I used to do get I used to get bottle from home only and used to keep a bag. So after having that 2 hour break, 2 hour lectures, we were having a break. So after that, I used to go in the washroom with bottle and I used to do it there only.
That's nice, because that is because we need to take care of our
Yeah,
health also, right? No, not
yeah, yeah,
compromising. Yeah, that's great. You managed that thing so nicely.
yeah,
And when you go out, right? Like school environment is much used to it, and when you go out other than school and home, how did you prepare yourself? Like, because we can expect unexpected in the places where we go, right? How you
yes.
manage, you will be prepared, planned for that
Yeah,
situation.
I take all my medical kit and go over there, and over there is not much problem. Uh, and for this urine thing and all this thing, uh, urine and stool. For stool, I used to get saline bottles through which I can pass stool. And for urine, I use bottles only out also. So in that only I used to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. Okay. You managed in that way.
Yeah.
Great, Shruti. And Shruti, overall, what is your experience so far from your childhood days to this level? What is your experiences and what you would like to uh, tell to the other fellow spina bifida persons?
Okay. Firstly, I would like to tell that of course we are a spina bifida individual, no doubt. But why you think that you are a spina bifida individual? You should think in that way that you are a normal child. And I would tell challenges are going to come in our life. Why not face them? So if you face them, you are the best person I can tell. So this is overall experience that I have faced till now.
Great, Shruti. Great talking to you, and my best wishes for all your future endeavors in your life.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And Shruti, do you want to ask anything, any questions or anything from my end? You please free to ask.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Divya, what is this child week all about?
Yes, this is my precious childhood photos, and this is the only photo which I have, and as a memory of my childhood days. And I have a story behind this. Right, this was during when I was 3 years, I guess. Yeah, 3 years old, and there was a storytelling competition. And my teachers were told my mother that make her practice in the stool so that she will not get any stage fear while doing the real competition time.
Yeah.
So my mother, she was making me to tell the story on top of that stool. What happened is, after that, I never tell stories without that stool. So even in this competition also, they have brought that stool and kept it on under the stage, so that so then only they convinced me to tell the story. So this is the only pictures I have, a memory of my early childhood days, because we don't click much photos those days. No androids, nothing there, right? So this is my favorite picture of my life.
Yeah. Okay. So I would like to ask you from when did you come to know about you are suffering from spina bifida defect?
Okay, that's a good question. Actually, I came to know about this term, spina bifida, when I was 22 years. But I started developing I started showing the symptoms of that sensory loss and leg weakness right from the age of 4. But there was not much awareness during those days. I am 32 now. Just imagine the situations during 1980s and all. So we don't have much awareness about this. And I started, my leg functionalities, everything started deteriorating, and I had faced this sensory loss. And we completely we were not we were clueless about all these symptoms. When I do some mischievous activities and naughty stuff, right, I used to get a pinch from my aunt or my mother. So I happily go and turn towards my right leg because I don't feel much sense over there. So I'll tell them that I have a superpower that whatever you do, I cannot feel anything. So this is how the symptoms started showing up. And even my parents, they didn't realize that it was great. I mean, it was the serious condition, because they thought like I was telling for fun or something. Then we came across came to know that I was really going through that tough situation when I met with a fire accident. I got a 3rd-degree burn on my leg, but I was completely unaware of it. That is where we started consulting the doctors, then uh, uh, series of uh,
Okay.
surgeries, and all this happened at the age of 8 years. Even then, I didn't know the term spina bifida. They told something else, and we are from the village side, so we don't have much knowledge on the terms what they tell. Also, they told about Tathat syndrome. So that is how, and they told like after that surgeries, the things will be normal, but it was not the case. It started deteriorating, and for due to my health issues, I had to continue my discontinue my education. So after all such periods, I was completely broke down. I fed up with the
Okay.
treatments, all such things. And the pictures which you are having, right, the left one, that was
Yeah.
I resumed my studies after a long struggle. Like none of the
Oh.
schools were ready to accept me during those days because we do have accessibility issues and all, right, and I tend to fall so many risks associated with that. So none of the schools were ready to accept me after 10th class. Till 10th class I managed to the school which are near our place. After a very long search, I got admitted to a school that is a residential school. So they wanted to ask me what the management side. They asked me one question: will you able to manage with 300 plus students in the hostel? I don't know what made me to say that yes that day. That one has changed my life completely. And the right side pick, right? So I strongly believe that I physically I have all the challenges, but that can be overcome through education, through knowledge. So that was my driving
Yes.
force to cross the challenges, whatever came my way. So that is a transition. So that is the picture which was taken during my 11th class. In my that is a hostel. And my parents were really worried how I managed without their support. And
Oh.
but
But you
somehow
did
I
well, I
managed.
think.
Yes, and I was fortunate that I got a good set of friends like you, and they were so
Oh.
supportive. And I completed my education, and then I got a scholarship also from my school that I did. I was the topper of my school, and then I got engineering admission in Anna University College of Engineering Gindi campus. Then everything changed. Then I became financially independent. I had the choice to explore various things around me. Then during that days only, I came across this spina bifida term from a
Oh.
doctor. See,
Okay.
see the awareness then, and you people are so lucky. You have the complete set of support system
Knowledge.
around you. Sir, Santosh sir is there, and the family is
Yeah.
there. So whole support is there. So you're lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So what does this picture depict?
This is all about my friends, and all are my friends, and they are all my friends, and they did love marriage. So we met after a long time with our kids. So that is our cherishable memory of with my friends.
Oh,
I
great.
know, yeah. Each pair, right? They are my friends. So all are love marriage. All their marriages are love marriage, and we met. Things
Oh,
that is a so special moment.
yeah.
Ah.
Okay. So what is this all about?
And this is a team outing during my professional life. So we used to go out with our directors. Like we work for as Arshia introduced me. I work for Verizon India. So we do have director visits from different countries like US, UK, everything. And when they come, we do have series of presentations, everything. And after that, we used to go out with them for team outing, team lunch. So that was one taken during that time. This was a recent one we did before lockdown.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is your family, I think, right?
Yes, yes, yes. This is my family, and this is I should tell, because this is a very great experience of shooting this calendar. We were modeled as uh, a couple for one of the calendars. There is
Okay.
on foundation. That foundation name is Varga Foundation. They work to create awareness about neuromuscular disorders like multiple sclerosis, everything. So they are creating awareness on that terms. So every year they will release a calendar with persons with disabilities as a model for various
Okay.
themes. The themes are like, so far they have released 5 calendars, and this is our calendar in the year 2020. They used to release calendars with various themes like adaptive sports. That way, we are creating telling the world that people with disabilities could achieve sports as well. So, such kind of themes they will select for each year, and they release that calendars. And for this year, the theme was Love and Beyond. This is to create awareness about inclusive marriage, because the marriage for physically challenged person is still a social stigma, right? So
Yeah.
this is to create awareness on the same. And I happen to met many other couples, inclusive couples from different states. So we
Okay.
all went for that calendar launch. It was a great event. I had a chance to meet people from different states, and my network is also started expanding after involving in this kind of activities.
Yeah. Great. Great. So what is this? It's scuba
Yes,
diving,
this
right?
is, yeah, scuba diving. Yes, and yes, this is also one of my most cherishable experience of my life. And
Okay.
yeah, see, the trainer is over there, right? He's a scuba diving trainer, and he's a certified trainer who train uh, persons with disabilities for the scuba diving stuff. His organization name is Temple Adventures. What they have
Okay.
done is they wanted to give the experience, underwater experiences for the persons with disabilities. So because again, the accessibility issue comes as a barrier, right? So we don't
Yeah.
have the accessible swimming pool and all. So that
Yes.
is why one of the organization called ECTA Foundation, they organized this event to give the underwater experience for
Okay.
and almost like 40 to 50 people have attended this session. This thing. This trainer is, so approachable, and he was so comfortable to understand our needs. Because when you go inside the water, right, the only way to communicate is through sign language only, because we
Yes.
cannot talk, right? So they wanted initially, before going to the open seas, they wanted to give us the experience in a contained environment. So this was done in a pool, a swimming pool of 5 feet and 10 and 15 feet. So this was taken over. This picture was taken during that time. And once you are comfortable over here, he will be taking you to the open seas.
Okay.
But everything is
Hello.
at the middle after this COVID. And this one, yes, I should tell about this marathon experience. And my most of my childhood days, all were
Hello.
for my treatments. I don't have much memories beyond my treatments. Like, yeah, I do have friends, families, everything, but I didn't do some extra other than academics and profession. Am I audible?
Yes,
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 yes, you
Yes.
are.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
So I didn't do much of any
Hello.
other activities other than my academics and all. So and I know that as a spina bifida individual, I have to do therapy. That is the integral part of my life. Everyone agree with that. But when I do that as a treatment, as a therapy, it was so monotonous, and I was a little inconsistent as well. So I met a person who did wheelchair marathons. He's a spinal cord injured person. So I got inspired from him, and I started developing interest in doing wheelchair marathons. So uh, when I start practicing for this wheelchair marathons, right, I was so consistent, and I was so particular about the regular routines, exercise routines and all. So that is where I came to know that this kind of parasport events, right, this will definitely bring physical in improvising our physical health, and in a way that it will be creating a social circle as well. So I started doing this marathons from last year 2019, and I did 5 marathons so far, starting from 3 kilometers and 5 kilometers. I did 3 kilometers and 5 kilometers without assistance. I did on my own, and for 10 kilometers I did with assistance. And my consistent partner is my daughter. She'll come along with me for all the marathons. She has uh, she has also the finisher medals of each marathons, because she will sit on my lap and we both go together. That was taken during one of such marathons. Hello.
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah.
But
So that
we
is
can't
all
see
about.
any slides. We can't see any pictures.
I
Just
think
now. Is
I
there
think
an, or
Stuti got
it's done?
disconnected.
Shruti got disconnected.
Okay,
Anyways, I have the
she can
PPT.
connect.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
can share the screen, okay? Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So what is
Yes,
this
it
all
is.
about, Divya?
And yes, this is also I got the opportunity to attend parasports camp. Actually, that was organized. That was happened in Chennai during February of this year. So this event was organized by RRD MNC, along with support from the Chennai runners. This event is all about to create awareness about the importance of parasports to empower the persons with disabilities. The whole event was sponsored by US Consulate of Global Sports. When you Arshia, can you move on to the next slide?
Yeah, sure.
That event name is Tiramai. So as part of that event, I got the exposure to train on parachuting and the wheelchair racing. This picture is from the training period. The training was for 3 days, followed by a competition, and this training is especially for the amateurs, because that is also to ensure the fairness in the competition. Because if any of the nationals or state level players we participate in this event, right, then it will demotivate the amateur participants, right? So that is why this is kind of awareness event to create the exposure of parasports for each uh, persons with disabilities. And one thing I realized from this event is I was having a thought that the empowerment for persons with disabilities could be possible only through the education. But this event proved me that even the empowerment can be done through sport activity as well. Because I met a person who was bedridden for 20 years. Just think 20 years of bedridden life. He got motivated to do marathons, and he was one of the persons who did wheelchair marathons, full marathon. There are two individuals who did full marathon in a wheelchair. He was also one of them. So, you know what? After this thing, his lifestyle changed. His physical health is improved.
Wow.
His network, yes, it's expanded, and he became the wheelchair trainer for the rehabilitation center. He is traveling around India and
Wow.
for various rehabilitation centers, and he is making his living. So it is a whole approach of the empowerment, right? So that is what the biggest learning of this event.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is that all about. I told about the RRD and the US Consulate of Global Sports,
Yeah,
right? The person who is on my left side is the Senior Vice President of RRD organization, and then the one next to my left side, she is from US, that US Consulate. and she is the chief information officer of that org. She came all the way to India for launching that event. That is
Great.
during that time.
Yeah.
And yes, there is one more event which is coming in this year end. That is exclusively happening in Mumbai. If any of our spina bifida persons who wanted to participate in this event could participate. That is why I thought of putting the slides over here so that anybody is interested could give a try, because it is going to happen in Mumbai.
Wow, this is a good opportunity.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, good opportunity for everyone, I think. The
yes.
one who likes.
Yeah. So if anyone is interested, could contact the details.
Yeah.
And that is all about. And I have a few things to tell to spina bifida persons. And one learning from my life is I started exploring the other activities like this marathons, everything, other part of thing only in the later part of my life. I encourage each individuals to concentrate on the other activities along with your academics. So let those two go in hand in hand.
Yeah.
So it is definitely creating a difference in you. That is what I thought of telling you. And also one more thing to the individuals, like start doing start exploring few other activities, like we all are in comfort zones, right? Like I mean, what trying to say is our parents, they are always concerned about us, and they think of giving a better life for all of us. So let's also do something to them, that start doing our things as the things on our own. So that way, that will definitely give them the confidence that we can lead our life on our way, on our pace, and nothing is stopping us, and we could lead a very good quality independent life. So that is what I thought of telling everyone, because I experienced that when I was going to my school, right, after the discontinuation period and all. My parents were really worried. How will I manage? And I cannot manage. And how could manage with the other different set of environment altogether. But that crossing that comfort zone, though it was full of challenges, it taught me different things. It gave the opportunity to explore different
Yes.
aspects of life also. So that is all about I thought of sharing with you all.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah, Sanchita ma'am, would you like to give an end note?
Yes, so hope all of you
Does
had.
Stuti want to say something at the end? She had been disconnected, but Stuti,
Yeah.
do you want to say something?
No,
Your-
I would only like to tell that, of course, life is full of challenges. Face those challenges, and you will one day be a successful man or a woman. That's it.
All Shruti, my best wishes for all your future endeavors, and we are waiting. We are waiting to see you progress in your life. And psychiatrist, right? We will be coming to you.
Sure.
And also, don't forget about the consignments.
Yeah.
We all need. There are, I think, more participants now, so we are expecting.
Yes.
Yeah. Nice talking to you.
Thank you. Same to you.
So do you have anything to comment about today's webinar?
you asking me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm completely impressed. I'm totally impressed, totally inspired, and it was great meeting two bold and beautiful ladies. It was superb and truly inspirational to all of us. And just as I was listening to both of you, I mean, first time I came to know that Stuti is so confident, so bold, I've only met her in the hospital or in my clinics when she came, and that time to consult me for some medical issues, for the operation. But this is a completely new Stuti that is being revealed. And both Stuti and Divya, I think you should take charge of the peer counseling division of the Spina Bifida Foundation, because come what may, a doctor can never be a proper and complete counselor. But
Yes.
you people are just fantastic. And so we have a budding psychiatrist, and Divya is a software person, but is also kind to talk to our SBF individuals and families. So soon, I think, and this session, I think most of the people who are attending must have felt really happy to be listening to both of you. And I think Arshia and Sanchita, we should have more such heart-to-heart
Yes, sir,
talks,
definitely.
Yes.
Yes, it was
because we
very
have so
useful.
many. Yeah, very useful. And it's not only amongst individuals from within India, which we will certainly do, but we should also have a heart-to-heart talk between somebody from India and maybe somebody from overseas. So because that will also give insight into how things are in different parts of the world. So I think our next interaction could be between two people, one from India, one from overseas. But I'm sure all of you felt that this was a great session. And both Divya and Stuti, thank you very much. You have shown us that sky is the limit. If you
Yes.
think properly, think positively, then sky is the limit. Hats off to both of you.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
sir.
sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, I would like to also request if anybody from the participant would like to comment about our today's webinar, especially Janvi ma'am or any other parent who's attending today's webinar. Do you have any suggestions for us, or you want to come up with any other topic? So we'll be happy to know.
Hi, Sanchita ma'am. It's me, Khushi.
We
Ja-
can't hear you,
yeah.
Janvi. We can't hear you. No,
Hello.
Yes, Khushi.
Hi. It's a
J-
great, means Divya and Shruti. You both are great. I seriously love, amazing. Your life experience is like amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kushi.
Yeah,
Thanks, Kushi.
I think we all are experienced to each other because we are all like a family and friends. हम सबके experience एक दूसरे को काम आते रहेंगे.
yeah.
Help to
And
each other.
Kushi, get ready to be a participant in our future similar session.
Yes.
And yeah, we are expecting your parasport related guidelines, you know.
Yeah.
I'm following you in the group, like whenever your sport related pics were posted in our group, right? I'm so excited
Yeah.
and I'll go and see it. We
Yes.
have to have a session with you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Divya, I have a suggestion. So, if you have any information about all the sports event or any other non-curricular activity, especially, please do share in our group. There are many people interested, and they don't just have the source to know this information. So, it would be
That's
helpful if you
true.
can show the contact person's number and name in the group. So, those who are interested can directly contact them.
Yeah, definitely I'll do that, Sanchita. Yeah, I'll
Yeah,
definitely
that
do
will be
that.
very helpful. Thank you. Yeah, Janvi ma'am wanted to say something.
Yes. Janvi, please only unmute your mic. Your mic is muted.
I think the host can unmute them.
Yeah.
Unmuted.
Yeah.
Unmute. Okay.
Yeah.
You have unmuted everyone, Arshia?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, Janvi, please go ahead.
I think she's joined from two
She can't
connections. She
hear.
needs to disconnect one.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear now. Yes. Yes, Janvi, go on.
It was a wonderful session. Sachita,
Janvi ma'am, 1 minute. You have to disconnect one of the connections because it is echoing. You are joined from two connections.
okay.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, you can go on
Okay.
now.
This should be clear.
Yes.
Yeah, it was a
Yes.
wonderful session. I mean, thank you so much. I think it's going to inspire all our kids. I mean, there are a lot of other children who may see them and they're going to really get inspiration. Divya, you are just too good. And keep inspiring these children. As always, I mean, we have always been following you and you're doing a great work. I never knew that, you've also tried for other sports than just marathon. So good, I mean, good information and all the best for your upcoming beauty contest also if you're participating. The picture which we saw just now. And Stuti, you are just too good. I mean, I've never heard you speak so much as Dr. Karmakar said. I mean, I had seen you very, very small when your dada had brought you somewhere. So
Yes.
it's so good to see you speak so well. And yes, I mean, the two cameras which were on, one was Kosha who was like following, and I was on my PC. So it was really good. I'm sure Kosha is going to get inspired, and I guess I hope she does speak so much as you because she's very shy. But
Yeah, I was also a little shy one, as
Yeah.
Dr. Karmarkar knows that. And
Yeah.
of course, as I grow up, I started speaking so much.
Yeah, I've heard the same thing from Kushi also, that she was very shy in the beginning, and then gradually when she grew, and maybe the exposure helps you to actually open up, or your confidence. I don't know, something has to spurt from somewhere, and then people start doing things.
Yes.
So yeah, great. I mean, Suti, you've done wonderful. I know from where you've come. I mean, how you've grown to what you have become today. So yeah, very, very, very good, and all the best for your future.
Thank you so much, Dr.
Divya,
Shanvi.
I want to say one more thing about Janvi ma'am. Today I know
yeah.
I am a spina bifida just because of Janvi ma'am. She is a big supporter to export my life.
So I mean, we can keep that for some other time. But today, Stuti and Divya's day, and
Yeah.
Sanchita, great job.
Yeah.
Arshi,
It's a team effort,
superb.
ma'am. It's a
Yeah,
team
yeah,
effort.
it is. Arshia, very good. I have attended some other webinars. I mean, done by your college groups also. So that's really good. And Dr. Santosh Karmakar, thank you so much for giving us all this platform.
No,
When all
it's-
these children can
Thank-
come and talk about all these things. So
Thank
thank you
you
so
for
much.
inspiring. Tanishka, do you want to say something?
Thank you,
Tanishka is
Janvi
from
sister.
Lucknow. She's also a bride girl and she has been listening patiently. Tanishka, we want to hear something from you.
Good afternoon, doctor.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear. Go on. Hello.
Hi, Dr. Good afternoon. This is Shweta, Tanishka's father. She is a good dancer. Most times she used to play music. She speaks too much, but here she is shying right now. She always follow all the members who are in the group, and we are grateful that you are guiding us for the great journey. And Divya ma'am as well as Suti ma'am, you are fantastic today. You inspired the team, and then the members in the group definitely will have great value by this session. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Sanchita.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I hope all of you have shared your comments. So just let me know if anybody still wants to share something. We can have few more minutes on sharing our thoughts. Anybody else from the participant wants to share anything?
Where is Mandar or Mandar, do you want to talk?
Yes, sir. I am here.
Yes.
I am from Sangli, Maharashtra. I am not a member of your foundation, though. I want to become your member now.
Yes. I urge all of you, those who are not member, please visit our website and do become member.
Yes. I know Dr. Ravindra Vora from Sangli. I came to know from
Great.
him about your foundation, and we have started a similar foundation in Sangli named Sukhayu under the guidance of his guidance. I am the
Yes.
president of that organization. We have recently launched that organization.
Fantastic.
And this
So we should
session
work
was,
together.
huh?
We should work together,
Yes, sir. Yes,
and
sir.
you have to be more active in our foundation as well.
Yes, sir. Definitely. I am coming to Mumbai after lockdown to meet you.
Yes,
Sure,
definitely. You are
great.
most welcome.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
And this session was very good, and I got very inspired from both the ladies, from them. Thank you, sir.
Great,
Thank you so much,
fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Anyone
So-
else? Is there anyone? Who is Vidya was there? Somebody, Vidya?
I think she
I think
is
she's
disconnected.
left. She is left. Okay, then Sanchita maybe
So,
or
yeah.
Arshia.
So that's all for today's webinar. Thank you so much, Divya and Stuti and all other participants for joining us today. It really means a lot to us. We are definitely open to your suggestions and feedback. And if you want us to come up with more webinars, which will be more helpful to you for improving your quality of life or your daily life or your extracurricular life, please do let us know. So you already have our email IDs and contact details. So please don't shy away from contacting us, and do let us know what you think about this webinar series. Thank you so much.
A round of applause for Stuti and Divya.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
see you all. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Take care.
Bye.